We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, let's look for a time frame we can mark up to see what's going on in the market when it comes to SPCE. We're going to stop on the weekly. We're going to identify what price is. Okay, so if price goes up to the highest point, how far are we looking? We are looking at areas of highs in this area here. Price action goes down, how far are we looking for the price to go down? All the way back to the low. Last but not least, we're going to put a midpoint line through the middle. So let's circle some areas where we can look for patterns in the market. We have a pattern here. We have a pattern here. We have a pattern here. Almost missed this one. This one's close. We have a pattern here. We have a pattern here. And then last but not least, we have an overall pattern in this area here. So we got a few things to work with, guys. All right, let's start. So the first circle, let's see what happened. So market came down from a low, pushed straight up into the high. So we got one spike up to the low, market pushed down. What type of pattern this is? This is called the single top of the retest. Could be a double top of the retest on lower time frame because of the spike right here. So double top retest or single top of the retest. Push the market down once. That was a very strong push. One time. Once the market consolidated in this area here, it's also consolidated and create a pattern. And you see this pattern side by side. So let's draw it out. That's that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So it's a W. So when we start seeing W's in the market, majority of the times the market's going to push up. Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes it doesn't. But most of the time you start seeing W's. That's when you start consolidating sideways. Maybe a big push in the market. So we see a double bottom here. After that, the market created another double bottom, side by side. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. What happens after the W? The retest. Okay, then market pushed up once. We have two double bottoms side by side, and the retest finally pushed the market up. So the market went to new areas of highs, and we have another pattern in the circle here. The pattern is a what? It's a triple top, three spikes, retest, market sold down, pushed down once in this area here, pushed down twice to the bottom. So it's two pushes to the bottom after the retest, the triple top and the retest. Okay, you go down the time frame, maybe quadruple tops, and maybe multiple candles, but on here is a triple top and a retest. We know that the market's going to probably push down. It did. Once the market came back down to the low, actually broke the midpoint line, so it created enough momentum to come right back up for another push. So what pattern did we get at the top? We got a 1, 2, 3 triple top retest, market sold. Okay, so the triple top and the retest happened twice. Okay, market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. So we got to figure out what's going to go on here by looking at the market and following the next steps. So we know after the market breaks, it can come back to retest. If it's a true double top, the market come and retest our midpoint, and it will drop down to previous areas of lows. Last but not least, the overall circle in this area here is a huge double top. So we have the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest at this area here for the completion of the M, and then the market pushed down once. So it has a few more chances to push if it's going to drop back down to a low, but price may respect this area here and create some momentum and shoot up for that third push. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. SPCE